In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download Blender on PC and laptop. So step number one is to head over to a browser of your choice. In today's video, I will use Google Chrome. You then simply need to search for Blender. And then you want to go to the top search result here, so blender.org. And then once we do this, you can then go to the top right hand corner, click on the download option. And then once we select download, if it doesn't show your device here, what we can do is go to the drop down menu. And then you can search from any of the available downloads here. So you've got Windows, you've got Mac, you've got Steam, you've got Linux, etc. So what you want to do then, once you have selected the version, click on download Blender. It will then start the download in the top right hand corner. Now this is a 295 meg download, so it depends on how fast your internet is to how fast it downloads. Once it has downloaded, you can then click on the download. What will then happen you'll then get this. You just simply want to drag and drop this into your applications. And you will then be able to open up Blender. So then we can search for Blender. And then as you can see, you would then be able to start using Blender as you would normally. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download Blender on PC and laptop.